The time for fast, easy, and reliable CLIA-certified, best-in-class lab results is here. Have you considered a world where drug testing can be done remotely without observed specimen collection? Introducing ToxDirect, developed by Genotox Labs, the industry's first and only unobserved, fully contactless urine drug testing service that uses patented DNA authentication technology to ensure specimen authenticity instead of unpleasant human observation. Individuals can now have a test kit shipped directly to them, produce and submit an unobserved urine specimen directly to the lab from anywhere at any time. Comprehensive toxicology test results, plus urine specimen authentication and synthetic urine testing are delivered to the supervising organization within 48 hours via a HIPAA-compliant online portal. ToxDirect outperforms remote oral fluid testing by offering longer detection windows up to 7 days and unobserved specimen collection. Unobserved, anytime, anywhere. The future of drug testing is here.